Alright, now so in this video I want to go ahead and I want to display the reviews or the comments right here and possibly change or make the comment section right here dynamic. But before this, I want to go ahead and I want to test even more if we're actually grabbing the right episodes for the right shows or not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna insert like a couple more shows, a couple more episodes right here, so I can actually see if they're going to the right shows or not. Alright, so let's go ahead and click insert right here. Alright, so this will be for the show is the ID one, and the episode name will actually be like this. Alright, and the video, I grabbed like 2 videos right here and I placed them in the videos folder, in the assets, in the public folder, in our own enemy project, right? And the htdoc. So just grab any kind of videos that you have and just place them right here. All right, so let me paste this in. And for the thumbnail, I guess that if we go back to the thumbnails, we need this thumbnail right now for the show. All right, so paste. So for the show ID right there, for this one, this will be 2. This episode will be for the show was the ID 2. And the episode name, it will be 2 like this. All right, for the video, let me see. Yeah, for the video will actually be 4 .mp4 right there. And the thumbnail is basically in the thumbnails right there, which is this thumbnail. All right, so let's copy this and paste like that, and now let's go ahead and click go. All right, so if we click browse, all right, so there we go. There it is, the show with the ID, and oh, the show with the ID 1. Now it has the video of 3.3.mp4, and the show with the ID 2. It has the episode of 2 also, and it has the video of the 4.mp4 right there. And as you can see, we have our thumbnails and everything is fine right there. So all I'm gonna do is just refresh this, for example, and this is the show with the ID of 2 right there. So as you can see, we got another episode right there. So this is the first episode. All right, so let's now click the second episode right there. All right, so if we look, all right, so we got the right thumbnail, which is great. The same thumbnail, it will also be for the thumbnail will be fixed. All right, and that totally makes sense. The thumbnail will be for the same show. All right, if we open this now, so still grabbing the same video, possibly for the episode 2. Let's go to the videos. Yeah, it's still grabbing the video of 2 right there. All right, which means that we have a problem. So let's go for the show with the ID 1, and this is the episode with the ID, the episode 1 right there. If we go to this, it will go to the same video, which is fine. Let's open this up. All right, let's now go to the episode 2. All right, so there we go right there. If we actually try to open this up, all right, so it's still grabbing the same episode, which is completely wrong. So let me go ahead and stop this, and I will get back to you after I solve this problem. All right, so I got it. So instead of find right here, instead of let me see, it was like this before. Instead of find episode ID, we're simply gonna go where, and we're simply gonna go for the ID like this. All right, so simply save this, and this will work just fine. All right, so again, if we try to grab, you know, the first episode of this show, as you can see right there, we got the thumbnail. So here we go right there, and we try to grab episode 2. So as you can see, you will see the same thumbnail right there, and simply there it is, the second video. And if we try to grab the first episode of this first show, all right, so there is the first episode, and there is actually the second episode right there. All right, so yeah, this will actually be everything for this video. Let me see. Yeah, we still actually have time. It's still 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and let's try and grab the comments right here. All right, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go at this part. I'm gonna go comments like this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead at the bottom of this, and I'm gonna go comments. Actually, we have this code. Let's copy this. We have it right here, so let's paste this in. So for the comment right there, we're simply going to select order by the ID. Descendingly, take 8 comments where the show ID equals the ID that we're grabbing, equals this. All right, which is fine. So let me copy this now. Let's save this. Let's go ahead to enemy-watching.blade, and yeah, let's go at this part. So we have a couple of comments right there. All right, so now let's delete this, and let's go right here at the top of this, and let's go for each comments as comment. Let's go ahead and paste like that. All right, so let me go ahead and copy this, and let me go asset, and I can go right there, and I can go assets / images, and if I go comment like this, I can simply go image. All right, and right here I'm gonna simply remove this part, and I'm gonna copy this and go right here, and this is simply the username. So there we go, and let's copy this, and this is simply date created at. All right, so now let's remove this part, and let's go ahead right here, and well, actually let's go ahead and go comment like that. All right, so save this now. All right, so there it is. There's actually two comments right here, and the second show, it will be 3 comments. All right, so great. Let's now fetch the part of the form. So the form right here, if I go to enemy-details, let me go to the part of this form. Let me see, validate following, and there it is. Yeah, this is for the following. This is the form for the following, not the form for the comment. So let me copy this, and it will simply be just the same. So let me paste it like that. So yeah, so we have this show ID right there in this. Yeah, we have it right here. All right, so I guess that everything is here is fine. So let me save this now. All right, so there's something wrong with the image. So I was displaying the image, and this is actually user underscore images. So yeah, there it is, the image is right there. All right, so Now let's test creating the comments. So we can go right here, great episode, and simply click review. All right, so comment added successfully, and there we go. Great episode right there. If we refresh this, no comment for this one because we did not create a comment for this one. All right, so yeah, this is actually everything, and I will see you on the next video.